If you're seeing the unexpected installation error -203 while trying to install extensions in Mozilla Firefox, don't worry, in this video I'll show you a quick fix that usually solves the problem in just a few minutes. This error often happens because Firefox doesn't have the right permissions to write files properly, so we're going to check the Firefox folder permissions in Windows and make sure your user account has full control. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, press Windows plus E on your keyboard to open File Explorer. This is the fastest way to access your system folders. Once File Explorer opens, go to this PC, then open the Program Files folder. Inside Program Files, look for the Mozilla Firefox folder. This is the main installation folder for Firefox, and this is where we need to verify the security settings. If Firefox is already installed on your computer, right-click the Mozilla Firefox folder and select Properties. A new window will open with several tabs across the top. From here, click the Security tab. This is where Windows shows you which users and groups are allowed to access the folder and what level of permission they have. Now select your Windows user account from the list. Once your account is highlighted, look at the permissions below. You want to make sure full control is allowed. If full control is already checked, then the permission is fine and you can move on. But if it is not allowed, that could be the reason Firefox is showing the installation error -203. If full control is not enabled, click the Edit button. This will open the Permissions editor. In the new window, select your user account again if needed, and then check the box next to Full Control under Allow. After that, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. If Windows asks for confirmation or administrator permission, go ahead and approve it so the setting can be applied properly. Once you've updated the permissions, close out of the folder windows and try installing the Firefox extension again. In many cases, this simple permissions fix clears the error and lets the extension install normally. If the problem was caused by restricted access to the Firefox folder, this should solve it. If you still see the error after changing permissions, double-check that you selected the correct Firefox folder and that your Windows account is the one you normally use to run Firefox. Sometimes a small permissions issue can cause extension installation to fail even when everything else looks correct. And that's it. You've now checked the Mozilla Firefox folder permissions and fixed one of the most common causes of the unexpected installation error, -203. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech videos, and I'll see you in the next one.